Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to clean hidden junk files and system storage on Android phone. First, we go to My Files or File Manager and go to Storage. Now we can see used internal memory of our phone is 85.15 GB or 66%. Later we will compare the memory after we clean all the junk file. Step 1. We go to My File or File Manager, then go to Setting. Activated the Show Hidden System Files. Go back and go to Internal Storage. Then go to Search and type MSG. This file is a WhatsApp backup file. This file will always appear because WhatsApp backs up automatically. You can delete them all or leave one file with the oldest date. Don't worry, deleting this file will not affect your WhatsApp chat at all. Continue to Step 2. You can open Download folder. In the Download folder there are usually damaged or broken files, also APK files that you downloaded from outside the Google Play Store and are no longer used, and there are also junk files from failed downloads. You can sort unused file as well and delete them all. Step 3. Type WhatsApp on the search bar, then open WhatsApp folder. Open Shared folder. You can delete all the file here. After this file empty, go back and then open Media folder. In the Media folder, first, you can open Links folder and delete files inside this folder. Don't worry, it is just temporary files. Continue, open WhatsApp stickers folder. This file contains WhatsApp stickers sent by everyone in the WhatsApp chat in your application. For me, this is a useless file because I never use it, and I suggest you delete it too if you don't use it. After that, you can go to WhatsApp Voice Notes folder. This file is a voice note that we have already listened to. The voice note file will be saved here automatically. We can just delete it. If you guys use Telegram on a daily basis besides WhatsApp, you can do the same thing. You can clean the temporary files. But in this case, we don't use it too often. If you have done, go back and we continue to Step 4. You can open Setting on your phone, then you can go to Apps or Application Management. You can enter one by one the applications that you have installed and open the storage and clear the cache in each application. Usually applications that have large caches are Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube. You can delete the chase one by one. Don't worry, this method is safe because only your cache is deleted, not your data. Chase function is to increase data retrieval performance from previous browsing sessions, speeds up access to follow-up sessions. So by deleting, it will not change your data. Step 5. You can delete junk files with the default clean or optimizing application on your phone, like this. And lastly, open My Files or File Manager. Don't forget to empty the trash. Go to Trash and delete all. Now you can go to Storage, and you can compare the internal storage used has been reduced by around 11 GB from 66% to 57% of internal storage used. Hopefully your phone will be faster and smoother after doing this cleaning. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.